Today we are going to see about Sitecore Update Center. This is Satish Kumar from SK Tech YouTube channel. Before going to the topic, I am reiterating once again, please subscribe the channel, then only whatever the new video I am posting will reach you automatically. Let us into the demo. Okay. So Sitecore Update Center is a new innovative feature available in the Sitecore 9 which help to upgrade Sitecore from 9 to 10 or 9 to 9.3. It is launched in Sitecore 9 update 2, so we can update to update 3 or 10 as well. So there is no much complexity involved in it. We can directly, using the wizard, you can directly migrate to Sitecore 9.3 or 10 using the Sitecore Update Center. Let me show a demo so that you will get understanding how this Sitecore Update Center works and how we can upgrade our current version to a next version. Today we are going to see about Update Center. I am showing a demo about Update Center. Update Center is a feature introduced in Sitecore 9 Update 2. So to update to Sitecore 9.3 and 10. Now this is the Update Center. I'm going inside the Update Center. Basically we can upgrade Sitecore to any Sitecore from 9 to 10, okay, using this upgrade. So there are Sitecore modules. If any modules already installed, you can see the modules list here. If you want to install a separate custom packages, you can use this custom update. You can select the package and you can install the package. Okay. Now I am going to show a demo how we can use this update center to upgrade from Sitecore 10 to 10.2. Okay. This is the Sitecore platform updates. So currently my version is a platform 10 and I am updating to 10.0.2. You can see previously released update as well. Okay, so there are two options available for me. From this 10 I can update to 10.1 or 10.2. I am just trying to show a demo to update from 10 to 10.0.2. So I'm clicking download and install. It's progressing. So the benefit of this download is you don't need to go to the command prompt and using PowerShell to install or upgrade any Sitecore. It's very easy using this update center. Sitecore introduced this feature in Sitecore 9. Okay. Update mode informations. Okay. Advanced, everything is ticked. Okay. I'm installing this 10.0.2. Now the command is installing. The solution is in progress. Installation in progress. After the installation completed, you see installation successful. View details. We click view details. You will find your Sitecore is updated to Sitecore 10.0.2. Now the updated version is 0.2. I am logging out. Okay. Let me logging out. bear with me, it will take some time. So using this tool, you can easily upgrade to any new CMS platform versions easily without making much complex steps. Okay, the update center is a wonderful feature. When it's loading, I will show you how this works. Update center use a connection string, which is called as 1 minute. Update center uses connection string, that is go to the connection string. It uses one connection string for updating the service. Basically, that is payments management service from where this update center is working. So if we go to connection string, you will find the payment manage URL. You go here, the package, sorry, it's a package management service URL. There is a package management service running in the background. So using this connection string, it will go to this URL, the package management services. Okay, from there it will fetch the what are the details available for updating the content. Okay, this the update center use this connection string. Okay, go and see how it's loaded. Now I will show you how now the version should be 10.2, 10.0.2. Let us see what the version will be. Yeah, it's loaded. So now I'm going to update center and checking the version. I think no update is available because it's already update is done. Let us verify the Sitecore version. So I'm going to the Sitecore folder. Previously it was 10. So after it should be a 10.0.0.2. Let us see. I'm going to the Sitecore shell folder where this has cell version information. Sitecore cell. This has version information, Sitecore version information. I'm editing it. Now see the Sitecore version is 10.0.2. Without any manual steps, we have easily updated our CMS from 10 to 10.0.2. Okay. Similarly, you can update from 9 to because I am only having Sitecore 10, so you can easily update from Sitecore 9 to 10 using this update center. This is a wonderful feature available in Sitecore. Yeah. So, now, apart from this, there are you can you can install manually the other packages as well, some modules as well. There's like library for form or rewrite form you can install using this update center. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Then only what are the new video I'm posting will reach you automatically. This is Harish Kumar signing off. Thank you. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.